Welcome to TechSolutionZ. If you're new here, this channel is all about practical Linux guides, tech fixes, and simple explanations that make your life easier. Today we are talking about something every Linux user eventually needs to understand, the APT Package Manager. APT, or Advanced Package Tool, is the system used by Debian-based Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Linux Mint, pop.os, and many others. It's basically your software manager for the terminal. Think of APT as the tool that installs, removes, upgrades, and updates everything on your system with just a few commands. Before we start running commands, let me explain one thing. APT pulls software from online repositories. These repositories contain thousands of packages that are checked, verified, and maintained. So when you install something using APT, you're pulling safe and trusted software directly from your distro's servers. Let's begin with the first and most important command. This refreshes your package list. It doesn't install anything. It just checks for new versions of software available in the repos. A lot of beginners skip this step, but it's essential because it keeps your system aware of the latest packages. Once the update is done, the next step is to upgrade the system. For that, type sudo apt upgrade. APT will show you the packages that have updates available and ask for confirmation. Press Y and continue. This upgrades all the installed software to the newest compatible versions. There's also a more powerful command, sudo apt full upgrade. This one upgrades everything too, but it can remove old dependencies if needed. It's a bit more aggressive, so use it when you really want your system fully up to date. Now, let's talk about installing software. If you want to install a package, the command is simple, sudo apt install package name. For example, sudo apt install VLC. APT automatically downloads VLC and installs all the extra libraries it needs. That's what makes it so convenient. Removing a package is just as simple. Type sudo apt remove package name. If you want to remove the package along with its configuration files, use sudo apt purge package name. APT also collects leftover junk over time, unused libraries and cache files. To clean things up, run sudo apt auto remove. This removes dependencies that are no longer needed. And to clear the local package cache, use sudo apt clean. Here's a handy trick. If you're not sure about a package name, you can search for it. Type apt search keyword. For example, apt search editor. APT will show you everything related to that keyword. To get information about a package before installing it, apt show package name. This gives you version, description, size, dependencies, basically everything you need to know. APT also keeps logs of what you've installed or removed. To view history, you can check. APT is powerful, stable, and the backbone of most Debian-based systems. Once you get used to these commands, managing software through the terminal becomes faster than any graphical app store. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Linux walkthroughs. This is Yasir signing off from TechSolutionZ.